Hello again, Lockpicking Paul here, and this is the second of the two Thunderbirds challenge locks, and this is by far and away the tougher lock. I've done this video slightly out of sequence, so I went out and recorded the picking piece first, simply because I honestly didn't know if I was going to get this open. I spent a lot of time on this lock, way more than I would normally spend on a lock, and yeah, multiple attempts. So what you're about to see is definitely not the first attempt. I don't mind admitting I've had to really work to get this lock open. And I'm not going to give you any spoilers. There will be the gutting photo up shortly after this intro, because it's a no gut lock. So when you get this and you pick it, don't gut it. But the pinning is up next. Lots of tapered pins, and they're really there to test you, and they really do. But I'm not going to give you any other spoilers other than to say one thing. I never normally think about the jiggle test. I had to consciously do that through picking this lock and constantly remind myself, because not all of feedback is what it purports to be. So enjoy this. This is a real challenge. And right, so picking video up after the pins. Cheers. Right, let's see if we can get Parker open. I'm not expecting this to be a quick pick, and I'm going to concentrate, so I won't say much. What I'll probably do is put on some music. And she's open, and I am absolutely delighted with that time, because this is one seriously tough-ass challenge lock. Tinny, this is a really tough lock. And I've battled with this over days. I've got to be honest with you, days and days. But I am absolutely cock-a-hoop to get this open. So pleased. So I hope you enjoyed the Thunderbirds theme tune. I really had to concentrate to get that. Hope you enjoyed that, because I'm not sure I did for the whole journey, but that last couple of minutes, oh yeah, I enjoyed that in hindsight. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Enjoy your picking. Cheers.